Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Strum Fingerpicking. Today I'm showing you how to play a really fun little fingerstyle arrangement of Drunken Sailor. I'll also show you how you can play it if you want to sing and accompany your voice as well. So I really hope that you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. If you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab for this, that's available down below. So check it out. Hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's jump into this one. It's just three simple chords: A minor, G, and then there'll also be a C in there just very quickly, okay? But let's break it right down. So you're going to start on the A minor chord, and the first few bars are... Okay, so all I did there was I played the first and the fifth string together, and then it's just that first string 6 more times, but it's much easier just to think of the melody. What shall we do with the drunk? That's all just that first string open. What shall we do with the drunk? Okay, and just with the first one, that first string, just play the fifth string in the bass. That's all that's going on there. Okay, so what shall we do with the drunk? And then holding down A minor, you're going to play the third string, the second string, and then the first string. So what shall we do with the drunken sailor? So that's all you do for your A minor. Then it goes to G, so of course hold down the third fret on the sixth string of the bass, and then also the third fret on the second string. And that note's your melodic note right there. So what shall we do with the drunk? So exactly the same thing as here, but instead of being the first string open, it's the third fret on the second string. So you've gone. And then G, what shall we do with the drunk? Okay, and then it's open third string, open second string, and then third fret on the second string. So that's what shall we do with the drunken sailor? And then it's back to your A minor, exactly the same as before. What shall we do with the drunk? And then it's second fret on the first string, third fret on the first string, and then fifth fret on the first string. So that's just, so like... Okay, so far, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? G, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? Back to A minor. And then you got this. So there's that C chord that it quickly goes to. So you can hold down a full C chord, but also include the third fret on the first string, play that with the bass note. Okay, so that's all you really need, just those two notes right there. Then play open first string. Okay, then we go to our G, third fret, of course, on the sixth string for the bass, and the third fret on the second string together, and then open second string. So that's... just go to A minor, play the third string and fifth string together, and then just the third string again. So that's... Okay, back to the start. All together you've played... And then after that, it's basically the same. If you think of the lyrics, then it goes, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the morning. So it's much the same, but instead of, if you, again, just think of the melody. So first off, you had, what shall we do with the drunk? But this time it's just, way, hey, and up, da, 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 da da, but then the rest is the same. So look, starts with the bass, way, hey, and up, and then it's the same. She rises, the G, way, hey, and up. So it's exactly the same, just the melody's slightly different. She rises, and then way, hey, and up, and then the same. She rises early in the morning. Okay, but that's the only difference. Okay, so if you know the song, which I'm very sure that you're confident that you do, just think of the lyrics and let your fingers play what your head is hearing. So as you hear the lyrics in your head, just play the melody with your fingers, and you'll get it. So if you wanted to sing and have the guitar accompany your voice, then there's a whole bunch of different ways that you could do it, but here's a couple. So you could play like the bass strum technique, which I like a lot. So that'd be like, what should we do with the drunken sailor? What should we do with the drunken sailor? What should we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? So they're just playing bass and then strum. So A minor, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? And same on the G, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? Back to A minor, shall we do the drunken sailor? C, G, A minor. So that's a really good way of doing it. It sounds good and it's not too tricky. Or you could just put a finger picking pattern over the top and play something like, what should we do with the drunken sailor? What should we do with the drunken sailor? What should we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? So do like a kind of Travis picking style if you wanted to. So the pattern that I did there was just on the A minor chord, just strings 5 and then 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. Okay, once more. 5, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So just practice the pattern. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then for the G, exactly the same, but the bass is, of course, just on the 6th string and alternating between that and the 4th string. Okay, and then the C, it would just be C, G. Okay, and back to A minor. So once more, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com for hundreds more lessons, of course, all on fingerpicking for all levels. So check it out. Link is down in the description. But for right now, thanks so much. I'll see you again.